Hi, welcome to an example of how to upload files into Cumulus without login or password, but just with a drop form using the Sites framework. I created an index page which contains a frame. It calls an external folder. So if you have a look inside, it has here in the uploader, it has an index page, and this index page does nothing else than call this form. So you can put whatever layout needed here in this page, and then that pop-up frame will contain the actual input form. In the input form, the fields that you want people to edit are just in here in plain text. So you have first name, email address being standard Cumulus fields in your Cumulus catalog. So if you have a look in your catalog, I just added those fields here. If in the website now I enter my information, select what kind of picture I'm going to upload. I have to agree. If I click now upload, it gives me an error, and it will check on every field if you filled in the information, and I can choose either to sign up or not for the newsletter. When I now click, I get the download a selection of the file. I could have here the drop zone to drop multiple files, but in this example we're just uploading single files. I select the file and I click on upload. It is now uploading the file and will catalog it depending on the speed of your connection. Then it says file uploaded. Thank you for participating. This text and how this is set up comes from the parameter file. You can set up the server name, the Cumulus name, login name, password, asset handling set to be used, permission template, a default location to store the file temporary. While cataloging, it can use the central asset location to bring it into the Cumulus environment. This is the catalog, and if you want, it can even attach a default category. You would specify this like categories/new, something like this. And here you can specify the text that it has to give at the end of the upload example. Here, this is the text that appears here. If you want to upload again, all you have to do is click here. You can browse again, select another file, click open, upload now, and it will upload the file. If we check in Cumulus, we can see that the file that came in, the file that I selected, it automatically stored the information I typed in here, and here you see checked. And if I go to the next one, it remembered the information, so I don't have to type it in for every individual image. So this was a very short and easy example on how to upload files, single or multiple files, into Cumulus and get them cataloged and have a pre-filler with some metadata. Thank you for joining, and contact me if you have any questions.